Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Crypto Light. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video I would like to ask you that if you're new to my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. So let's start the review. Mimo Inu, the smartest dog on the blockchain. Mimo Inu isn't just another meme coin, it's a revolutionary movement redefining what meme coin can be. At its core, Mimo Inu fuses cutting-edge blockchain technology with the unstoppable power of community. Mimo Inu is built on innovation, utility, and long-term vision. Here you can check it out, their social platform, like their Telegram community, their Twitter account, their Instagram page, TikTok, and furthermore. Next, we have some amazing features like staking, swap, AI, and DAO. First, we have staking. Secure your Mimo tokens and watch your holdings grow. Our staking platform offers attractive reward, incentivizing long-term commitment and participation in the Mimo ecosystem. Swap. Experience effortless trading with our integrated swap feature, exchange, Mimo, and other token swiftly with minimal fees and maximum efficiency, all within our user-friendly interface. AI. At the heart of Mimo Inu is our cutting-edge AI agent. This intelligent assistant provides real-time insights, market analysis, and personalized recommendation. DAO. Mimo Inu thrives on community involvement through our decentralized autonomous organization holder. They have a direct say in the project's direction. Next we have liquidity, 100% burn, total supply 100 million Mimo tokens, 0% buy and sale tax. Token ID, here you can see their contract address. You must copy their contract address, paste it on your wallet and buy these tokens. Next we have the Ficandia's question. You must read the Ficandia's question like what makes Mimo Inu different from other meme coins. Mimo Inu combines meme culture with real utility featuring staking, a built-in swap, an AI-powered crypto assistant, and community LED governance through an DAO. It's not just hype, it's an innovation. Like this you can read furthermore Ficandia's question. Here you can see further more videos right here. This is an amazing platform. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update, and you can also follow them on Twitter. Here you can see their latest news and posts right here, and here you can buy these tokens on Pink Sale. You can also see further more details right here like their name, address, symbol, decimal, and furthermore. This is an outstanding project. I hope you liked the video. Before ending the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not the financial advisor. I'm just telling you about the amazing project. So do your own research. We will meet in the next video. Bye.